Look, ding, 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 ding. So today we're going to do 3 ways with roast potatoes. The one is Hasselback, which is the sliced beautiful one like a hedgehog. The other one are piles of potatoes. And then the other one is deep fried potatoes. Let's just test these first. So we just drain them over there. My gran used to do it on newspaper, but in those days newspaper print didn't come off, otherwise you'd get like newsprint all over your potatoes. Make sure your pot is dry and your potatoes are kind of dry, pop them back in there, and then you give it a good shake. Yeah, look at that. Be careful when you do this because you don't want to splatter the oil. Stunning. And then you can go and peel your Brussels sprouts, do whatever, but don't leave the kitchen, it's hot oil. They should take about 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
So just beautiful thin slices, but this is just easy peasy. And then we pop those in the oven. So the trick is with these, although if you're a chef like Madame Fifi, she does it by hand, but I learned this way. So you take 2 wooden spoons, or 2 chopsticks actually, or 2 wooden anything that's straight in the kitchen, and then large potatoes, that's the trick. And then you basically rest it on the wooden sticks so that your knife, when you cut it, doesn't go right through. How clever is that? And just very thinly you go down, and as thin as possible, and then all the duck fat gets inside, which is the trick. A little bit of salt, because we haven't salted these. Hot potato. Hot, 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 hot. They've got the same character of a roast potato, crispy around the edges and all soft and yummy inside. So look, Bianca, look how nice they are. Beautiful and soft inside.
Stunning.
And crispy, crispy. Look at those underneath. Delish. Yum. And that is 3 ways with Christmas roast potatoes. I like duck fat. I love duck fat.
If you don't love duck fat, something's wrong with you.
I know. I think it's good for the skin.
I'm sure it is.